Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to permanently delete a sim from the world in Sims 4. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let's start. Before deleting the sim, take note that the deleted sim will no longer appear randomly in town and you'll get rid of that sim completely. Now, let's say I want to delete this specific sim. The first thing that you need to do is press escape on your keyboard or click these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then, head over to manage worlds. Then select Save and go to Manage Worlds. Then, select the world where your current sim is currently living. Then, find the house where the sim is living as well. Mine is right here. Then, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, click on Manage Household. This menu will now show up. From this, click on this small pencil icon. From here, you can permanently delete the sim. Just look at the bottom left corner of your screen to see your current sims. Just click the X button above the sim's head that you want to delete. Then, click Yes. There you go. You've successfully deleted a sim. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps.